So guys, all was going so well. Just got the vehicle back. I was taking it down to the good old MOT station for tonight. She was there for tomorrow. And then she's cut out on me. I think it's something to do with fueling myself. But yeah, we got so close, yet so far. So now having to call the tow truck. It is what it is. Transit Smiley update coming soon, y'all. Oh, look at it. Oh, the little Transit. Oh, the little Transit. Oh, well, these things are sent to test us. I get tested on an hourly basis at the minute. But hey, it is what it is. Time to be recovered, part 2 in a week and a half. Second time because I broke down the Thai van the other day. It is what it is.
Yes, yes. Fucking hell, I'm up here, Tash. I'm up here, Duck. Okay, let's go.
I'm afraid it's time. Okay. Beautiful. 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 We need to save that, but we're going to clean it up first. Oh yeah. I've just got to video this to cover my backside. This should be okay. Super. We're at Star Autos in Rowley Regis, Brumway. You can't park there. You're funny, mate. Wow, look at that. Good old Transit, Harvey Frost. Nowhere else I can really park, mate. Literally. Literally nowhere to park. Don't forget, get yourself on the website for the merchandise. Not this merchandise, the GDB Rescue and Recovery brand merchandise. www.gdbrescueandrecovery.co.uk/shop. Get yourself on there. Lots of good quality items still there for you. There's a little cheeky sale.